My name is Blanche and I've been working with Active Life this time since 2024, but I was first introduced back in 2021. I would say this is my second career. I transferred careers into the fitness industry around 2019 and 2020, so I've been, I guess, in the fitness industry since then. I found out about Active Life Professional online on Instagram. I had 3 kids in 4.5 years, and so I was really passionate about the perinatal space, so pregnancy and postpartum. And Active Life actually used the same language and gave language to bridging the gap between healthcare and fitness. So that's why I was initially drawn to them. I did their online seminar back in 2021, and I was very thirsty for knowledge because it was a second career. I knew how much I didn't know, and I wanted to know as much as I could. I mean, the first time I had like 3 kids that were 4 and under, so just logistically applying and learning all of the things were really difficult. And I was so new into the fitness space that I didn't even know what exactly where my space was. And so after a few years, starting back up, it actually was a pretty easy decision. It was more logistical of should I open my space first or should I open up or like transition into Active Life again. Yeah, so I just graduated in July. So now this is my 14th or 15th month with the education, and I would say that I am definitely better skilled, but I would also say just the mentorship and the support that you get as part of the program is hands down the best in the industry. And so I think I have felt very supported. My business has grown a lot. I entered into a bigger facility. I hired on 3 coaches, and I've been able to help and lean into the support and community of Active Life, and they've been able to help and guide me in all of that transition. So that was really helpful. So when I left Active Life in 2021, I paused. I came back in 2024. That time in between, I was just throwing things at the wall and seeing if it stuck. So even though I knew some of the content, I didn't have the business, like mentorship and education or how to do things, and I just made a lot of really stupid decisions by myself. And so I needed a framework and someone to help guide me and say, hey, I've done this before, here's what we can do. So I think that's why I needed Active Life the second time, in addition to honing the skills of the practical knowledge of what we do as ALPs. So I would say one of the most inspiring ones, her name's Nicole, and she came to us at Rooted Strength last October, and she had a shoulder issue and a low back issue, and she had injured it previous years and had done chiropractic care, personal training, massage therapy, like you name it, she had done it and still had not seen much success. She had about like a 5 out of 10 baseline with low back, and she could not hinge at all. And then her shoulder was limited and painful. And we were able to grade her into our RISE sessions, which is like our small group training, after doing a couple of months of personal training. And now she's doing like lifetime PRs and feels very strong. And not only that, she's still able to now navigate certain flares with much more confidence and understanding how she can continue to move and be active in the midst of maybe a flare. So I've been thinking about, after I graduate Active Life Professional, what's next. They have some specialty courses, and I'm looking into the longevity one as well as the return to sport. But I also, this next year, am gonna really hone in as the new role as a team leader to continue to grow as a team leader and make sure that my coaches feel supported and my clients feel supported within the gym.